Okay, so here's my basement. Got the living room type area here. It's kind of messy right now because, yeah, get Kara upstairs. She'll eat all the cat food. Yeah, looks nice, looks nice. But we were having a mold and mildew problem in this side, so I tore some of the wall off. And you can see there's no mold or mildew, or we don't have green treat against the block, so that's got to go. We've got block, we've got white styrofoam, we've got a vapor barrier, and then we've got 1/2-inch drywall. Well, it's really been damp in here, and there's some insulation, some brown insulation, blackened insulation from some of the sill boxes because air movement. I have a 70 pint dehumidifier. 70 pint. Set at 55% humidity, and we keep the basement door shut, and it never stops running. And I wondered why, so I started ripping the wall down, and then I ripped the wall down. There is nothing here. It's a block wall, as you can see. Furring strips, there was white styrofoam in between, just like this. No vapor barrier, and no drywall. What there was paneling, like circa 70s paneling, and you can look at the paneling. You can see the dark marks on it. That was starting to mold, I think, from the inside. The outside don't look too bad. It's like a hardboard paneling, I don't know. But it stinks. It stinks like mildew, big time. And that is from ants. I had an ant problem on that side of the house, and what you're looking at is ant piss and shit. I thought it was termites at first, but none of the wood is eaten. So, and I always had an ant problem with dead ants in this corner because I had orchid coming. But, okay, so what's the correct way of doing this? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a thermal break. I'm going to get 1.5 inch styrofoam and put on the wall. And then after I have the 1.5 inch styrofoam on the wall, I'm going to seal the seams with foam adhesive, and then seal the seams again with house rat tape. Then after that's done, I'm going to build a wall, 2x4 wall that sticks out just right up against the beam, right up against the wall, and it'll stick out. And then I'll put insulation in the wall. That way the insulation won't get wet because of the thermal break. Oh, before I put the pink foam up, I'm going to paint it with dry lock paint and then attach the foam. So this will be an ongoing video. Check the channel for updates. And yeah, my daughter helping me. Hey, cute, isn't she? Yeah. Yeah, she's cute. Oh, a lot of this stuff's got to go. Thrown out so much already because of the mildew. But okay. All right, we got a little more demolition done. I got that wall off of there and friggin' over there, and I'm looking and I'm tearing this down, and look what I see. Look at what I see. From the flashlight. Look at the rusty nails. Moisture problem. Okay, alright. But then when I'm tearing this wall down, I don't know if you can see it from over there. First, move over here. I don't see it with the camera. Trying to tear this drywall off of here, and this whole furring strip. Okay, come on over here. This whole furring strip was never nailed to the wall, never glued to the wall. And it's coming loose. Nice construction techniques, guys. Whoever did this. I don't even work in construction. I know that's wrong. So, anyway, I'm gonna go watch a few episodes of Homes on Homes and learn how to do it right. All right, there's the electrical nailed onto that loose furring strip. Well, let's find out what is underneath the furring strip. Well, what the hell? There was some block wall replaced in this house at one point. Look at that. Oh look, my arch nemesis. Ants.
There's ants in there?
Huh?
There's ants in there right now.
Recording? Alright, we're ripping away and look in the corner. It just doesn't look right. Can you zoom right up in on it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what it is. It looks like black mold to me. We're taking precautions. With the mask on, I've mixed up a half a gallon of Moldstat and I'm going to spray as I remove the plastic. Back under this piece of styrofoam. Ants.
Holy shit.
Just in case. Ants.
Dead ants?
Nope. Wild ones. And that's all it is ants. Okay. Look at them. The same as over in the corner where I knew ants were. So. Well, anyway, better safe than sorry. Well, I have found the source of the smell and the mold, I'm sure. I just sprayed it down with Moldex. That's why it's wet. There it is. That's why it smells so funky down here. Right on the bathroom wall. So I'll get to ripping some more. Okay, we're getting a little more into it. I've been spraying it as I go along, as I peel the drywall. You know, as I peel it, I've been spraying it down so it contains the the mold spores. But look at here, look at this ugly ass mess in here. I mean, what the hell? It's not wet or nothing, I don't think, so I don't think anything's been leaking in here, causing wetness, so that's good. But my wife and my other daughter are at it now. Yeah, Big Daddy's probably gonna make a lewd comment or something, like he always does. Anyway. There you have it. I'm gonna continue on. All right. Look at this atrocity they called wiring. I mean, look, really? Really? None of it, like here, this is supposed to be like attached to the wall. You know, right, you know, that's supposed to be attached to the wall, you know, 12 inches away, you know, and then it should have went up and then through that, and then it should have been, that shouldn't even been there, right? That should have been like up here for, and then come through, and then, because you got to attach like 12 inches away, and then here, that just fell off. That just fell off. It fell off. It wasn't attached to the wall. Look at this board. This board and this board are just, no, that's not mold. That's just bark or whatever. Horrible. Just bad. Bad. I'm not even an electrician or I'm not even construction trades, and I know more than these people did. This was just the most horrible bathroom ever. Wow. Okay.